Hey, Stephen Gilbert RC here for the second time because it works better when you turn the audio on. I am here at the Park of Roses in Columbus, Ohio, up on the observatory deck, and today we're going to be doing a little FPV driving, not flying. We've got my Glamis Uno FPV down there, and we're going to respect this park. We're not going to drive around like crazy. This is just an exploratory kind of thing. We're going to see how far we can drive, and for the fun of it. So we're not gonna, if we do go on the grass, I won't be tearing it up or anything. I don't really have very bright bitey tires anyway, so here we go. Okay, clear signal. Huh. Not very bright and sunny out, so let me adjust my brightness. Contrast, geez. Here we go. Now I'm going to try to stay mostly on the trails. I've got a directional antenna. Let's see how well you can see that on the camera. Yep, there we go. When I start getting around these bushes, it's probably going to break up a little bit. See the birds flying around. Up a little bit. Now if I see people, I'm just going to stop and turn around because I'm not trying to scare anybody. No, I didn't break up at all. It's a 600 milliwatt transmitter. Now I don't get myself lost. So I'm trying to only go one direction. Let's go this way. I'm getting out there. I think I'm near the front. Oh yeah, I'm near the front. Oh, boy. Video staying pretty stable. Yeah. Well, I'm getting up here. Oh, dog. I didn't even see him until I rolled right up on him. No, I hope he's not chasing me. We'll run away real quick. That was fun. This is a giant circle. Airplane overhead. We are in a direct flight path. There's the observation tower. If I need a sound check, I can just hit my throttle and hear where I'm at. Now I'm driving this car because the engine in my Losi Gas Truggy blew a piston, did some crazy stuff. All I know is I sprayed oil in it and a bunch of metal flake came out of it, so yeah, it's roasted. I'm going to turn my head with the directional. I'm not even that far away, it just feels like it. The only thing that's in my way is the metal structure of this thing. Yeah, it's not really exploring if I could still see the camera or still see the car. We're going in the back now. get the parking lot replaced, the back parking lot. Look at your dog. .20 turn. It's hard to tell what's grass and what's not. Oops, got my camera. There I go. Wee. Hi. Back around. I know there's like a stadium over here. Yeah, there's the building to the right. Can I get over there? Where am I going? Yeah. Take an immediate right, I can go to it, but then I go downhill. Nope, there's bushes. Fall down the hill and not be able to come back up. Yep, there's this. I said stadium, it's more like a gazebo with a. Someone rolling up on me. On the other side, okay. Oops. So we're over there right now. Actually, we're right there. Let's go back out there some more. I'm trying to get these goggles right. I gotta go set this camera. It's too contrasty. I think I had it 2 seconds. There we go. Okay. Now it's too high. Oh my god, I can't win. I'm just kind of explore. Doesn't look like I'm getting really dead zones. I knew I didn't really need a ground station. Might have been a bit overkill to do that. Hiding under your benches. I'm not worried about the radio controls because those will go a while anyway. At least 1,000 feet on flat ground, but I'm higher up in the air, so I'm not too worried. Go back up to the front. Go that way. Yeah, I'm going up back up to the front. I think this is where I ran into the dog last time. Or no, that was further up. You are here. Okay. Yeah, this is the front part. This is as far as I got last time. Oh, I lost radio signal. Oh man, that was delayed. I hit it and then it took a second. Okay, come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Oh yeah, that's crazy. I lost radio signal before I lost video signal. Oh my god, I had to hold the radio up in the air. So like when you saw me move a little bit, that was like hit it, wait, and then it went. We got a suggestion of signal to move. Oh, there's a squirrel. Squirrel, squirrel. Well, now we know the limits. I gotta look on the map and see how far that is later. Hopefully I'll put that on the screen. How far that actually was from where I'm standing. Oops. I'm hitting my tripod. I'm gonna look at my goggles and see which one I'm hitting more. I'm hitting my directional. Good. That went pretty far. Okay, I'm getting cold. Very cold. Alright. That's right below me. Okay. Okay, cold, cold, cold. Oh, it's cold. My hands are frozen and cold. Oh, hold on. Let me flip my screen around. Oh, it's cold. I recorded on the goggles. I forgot to do like a sync. There's no audio on that anyway. I couldn't sync it very well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the drive. I recorded about 12 minutes of video. I'm going to cut it up for the most interesting parts. But yeah, we went pretty far. We went to that... let's see where we went. The building's all the way back there. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, we'll have more good videos this year. And considering I have a better camera, thank you guys, and have a good day.